Get noticed in this 2011 Nissan Altima. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof. With this vehicle, run all over town and back to home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Cruise control, power steering, air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.